guys, Rowan here for Fall Africa. Thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time watching, thank you very much. If you like what you see on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll really appreciate that. This is part 2 of the DIY, simple DIY 4x4 kitchen. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will put a link up here somewhere. I'm going to quickly take you guys through what I have done here at the back. So what I did is I built this whole packing drawer system myself using square tubing angle iron. On this side just got normal marine ply pulled over with this carpet got from the local carpet store. Apparently, like I said, it's on previous videos, it's the same carpet as I used for the battery monitoring unit. It's basically used for on boats, so water doesn't harm it. Built 2 slides, one carrying ammo crates, used angle iron, and then heavy duty roller slides. Here are the slides. And not sure what you call these, spring clips or spring locks, not sure. You'll see I've got another one on this side. Let's quickly start with the fridge. So, the fridge, similar story, just slides out and you will have access to the fridge. This is my fridge and this is my freezer. It's a 52 litre National Luna. Had it for probably over 10 years now. No problems, love this fridge. What I do for shorter trips, let me just get to this side. What I do for shorter trips, for longer trips, I actually put a gas bottle in here, and I've got a bigger gas stove that I do carry. On the shorter trips, however, I basically just slide this out, and got a small little butane stove here, which is quite handy, that I can take out and basically place anywhere I like. Got a fixed cutting board just for if you want to put a hot kettle or something on here, and then also just the butane canister, just the extra one here. What's nice about this is that if you need something from the fridge while cooking, I can pull out the whole story and still have a cooking station. That is the reason why I use the heavy duty slides, to be able to carry the weight. Let's move to the other side. This drawer was designed around ammo crates. You'll see that I shortened one of the ammo crates slightly by just cutting it and then joining it with aluminium plates. Not sure if you can see that. I'll just bring it a little closer. So yeah, that's how I did it. Top and bottom, just a little bit shorter than the normal ammo crate. And then one high lid and one normal ammo crate. Alright, so in the smaller box at the back, things that I quickly need access to: paper towels, essential. Also have this disposable cloths. I find this very useful. You just rip one off and you can chuck it away afterwards. Extra butane canisters for the gas stove. My braai Right tongs. Alright. Washing line pegs. Always handy. Got these little bags that you can use to make ice if you run out. This is my chip maker. So basically what you do is you put a potato inside here, and it's got these serrated blades, and you just press down and on the other side comes out chips. Alright. Just your normal plastic shopping bags for disposing of stuff, and then Ziploc bags for keeping food items. I find it very useful. Reason being, it doesn't use up a lot of space in the fridge, and you can chuck a lot of things in there. Glad wrap for pulling over a toilet at a camp, so if somebody sits down they pick up problems. I'm just joking, just to cover some food. Cutting board, obvious. Egg holder. So what I found useful about one tip that I can maybe give for the egg holder is to use paper towels, and just to put the paper towel inside here, put the eggs in and close it up like so. It just keeps the eggs from rattling and breaking. Just a small tip if you want to remember that. Right, this is my fold up basin. Not sure how many liters, I think it's probably about 5 or 10 liters for washing dishes. Folds up quite compact, as you can see, and once you're done you just fold it up, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Dishwashing liquid, sponge. And then this is one of my, or you call this thingamajigs that you just fold open around the stove, just to a windshield, just to basically stop wind from bothering you when you're trying to cook on a small gas stove. Okay. That is the small box. These are my larger boxes. This is the high lid. Reason for the high lid is so that you can put some cool drinks and stuff upright. A normal 2 liter Coke and stuff won't fit in here, but your 1 liter square milk boxes, and anything that's a little bit taller will fit in here. This box I keep empty for when traveling, and then I've got the one at the back. Just a normal ammo crate, also empty. This is where I will normally put all my dry food going camping. And then lastly, very very important, my braai grid, cooking grid, whatever you want to call it. Keep in a plastic bag so it doesn't stuff up this bag the whole time. Apologies, it is currently very dirty. Haven't cleaned it since the last camp. But in any event, you would basically got the triangle inside, and you will then put it on top of fire, and then you can adjust the height of it accordingly. I find this very very useful grid. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and I do most of my cooking in the bush on this grid. Right, so once you're done with the cooking process, this is literally as simple as it is. Close up here, push back the kitchen. And off you go. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys what this setup looks like at night and how this works. So at night you want to obviously cook on here. So I do have a light here so that I can see what's going on here. And also I've got a working light that just flips down, and there I've got a perfect working space. I also want to show you guys where I hide my pots and pans. I hate pots and pans. They're always in my way and they irritate me. They're always rattling, and I have a solution for that. Check this out. Okay. So the fridge comes out. And there they are. One small little pot, cast iron pot and a pan, all nicely secured with a ratchet strap. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how I store my pots and pans. It irritates the living daylights out of me. And when I push this back, it is out of my way. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. That's a wrap for the simple DIY 4x4 kitchen. Keep watching for the next videos coming up.